ACI site topology and automatically configure VXLAN, ISIS, multicast, and more. A few simple steps. In the scenario, the epics have already had the initial configuration that is completed. In this scenario, you run through the configure the basic wizard to dis- to discover the spine and leaf switches and perform the initial setup of ACI. Okay, now it is possible to skip this scenario with configure fabric membership using the desktop shortcut called skip initial step. If you use this shortcut, you can skip ahead to scenario 2. This is useful if you wish to demo repeatedly without having to repeat initial login. In the taskbar, open Google Chrome, click Epic One bookmark. Epic One bookmark, this one. You should be present with the Epic login page. Enter the credential to see in. Okay, I have done to put Cisco the cloud. You will receive pop-up. Cisco Epic. Let's go. You should receive second pop-up. If an error dialog open, click OK. Let's configure basic wizard. Begin. Not port ID 1, not ID 201, not name, leave 1, role, default, rack name, default, not ID, leave, not type, role, leave, yeah, register. Click OK. This will now begin to use the ACI Fabric Discover process to integrate this switch to the fabric, which will take some time. You may see the status column transition through the several steps. can refresh discovering discovering and then yep, and inactive after a minute or so. Click the refresh icon in the top right and continue to refresh until the status is active. Ini cara register live node. Jadi masuk ke node pending. Oh, ada dua lagi. Oke, kita lakukan hal yang sama. Tadi node-nya tipe live yang 9 ke PX. Oke, kita lakukan hal yang sama. Klik kanan, register node ID port 1. Node ID-nya 101. Node name-nya spine. Tipenya spine. Wordnya default. Refresh. Oke. Poin 2, klik kanan, register. Node ID-nya 102, naming-nya spine 2. Spine. Raknya bisa dibikin atau default aja. Register. Kita refresh. Leave to for discover device with the serial number TP1-102, klik register. Node ID-nya 202. Name live 2. Role-nya sebagai live. Haknya review your configuration. Your final configuration should match this table. Oke. Setelah selesai diregistrasi, node-nya akan pindah di sebelah sini. Bisa kita lihat di sini sudah ada yang aktif. Live 1, live 2, spine 1, spine 2. Mungkin kita bisa refresh. Oke, biarkan saja dulu. Once you have validated that your configuration is correct, click back to overview in the bottom right hand corner to return the let's configure basic page. Configure out of band management. ACI provide both in band and out of band management access option. Out of band provide management communication through the configuration of dedicated physical interface on the EPIC and ACI node. Once the ACI set is initialized and discovered, you can configure the OOB addresses for the node switches. Okay. We will waiting once the all node is active. In band management, provide management communication in by the configuration of one or more front panel data plan. Port of the leaf node switch in band management require dedicated pool of IP addresses which you configure for access from outside the ACI. Let's configure the basic wizard. Locate the management section, click edit. Okay, I, I see the nodes already activated. And then we going to the management. Let's configure the basic management. Management. What's the management? Setting. Oh yeah, this one. Wizard. Wizard management. Which management? Fabric membership. Membership. OOB. In out of band IP version for gateway enter 198.18.128.1 slash 18. Okay, this will automatically populate out of band IP version for address for each leaf and spine. The spine and leaf switches are automatically allocated to the next address in the range. You can statically assign this by selecting the switch and selecting edit at the end of the row. However, in this demo, leave them at their default value. Demonstration guides. Hmm. Leave out of band IPv6 gateway setting blank and click save. Click save. Okay, we just setting done management. So next step we can configure another VPC peer. VPC pairs. A VPC pair represent a VPC domain a protection group. You can explicit configure member node of the group using a fabric policy, not node endpoint. Use the VPC pair to explicit configure member nodes of the group by using a fabric policy node endpoint. In the left, configure the basic wizard. Locate the VPC pair sections. Click begin. Okay. On setting VPC pair, click create VPC pair switch pair. Name. Name leave one underscore two VPC ID. dua 201 domain no, VPC ID 1 select domain default node select 201 and select 202. Okay, once the change have been made, click save. In the bottom right corner, click back to overview. Click back to overview. Okay, we just done. Create VPC peer. Cisco Cloud demonstrates BGP. In next step, we can configure BGP. This the ACI side route reflection use multi-protocol BGP MPBGP to distribute external route from the external route to every leaf switch. To enable route reflector in the ACI side, the administrator must select the spine switch that are intended to be the route reflector, and provide the autonomous system number. For redundancy purpose, you can configure more than one spine as a router reflector node, one primary and one secondary. In the left configuration basic wizard, locate the BGP section, click begin. Autonomous system. Okay. You will only see two spine switches as a leaf device cannot be route reflector selected. Okay. Click all spine. With both spine selected and autonomous system number set 6500 and click save. Configure the DNS. Configure DNS server and search domain to allow leaf spine and epic to query DNS name communication. We'll use the OOB management connection by default. In the last in the let's configure the basic wizard, locate the DNS section and click begin. The DNS section, click begin. In the IP address, enter 198.198.18.133.1 and prefer DNS profile and click on the centum. Check this prefer DNS provider. Check prefer DNS provider checkbox. Then at the end of the row, click the check mark to save changes. Search domain. Then we click add to add a row. Add a row. Corp.pseudo.com. Corp.pseudo.co. and click default. And the bottom right, click save. And click save. Configure, and next step, configure NTP. In the left configure basic wizard, locate the NTP section, click begin. In the NTP server table, click add NTP server. Click add NTP server and IP addresses 198.118.128.1 you prefer, and then check this in the bottom right, click save. Review configuration. After all switches register with the Epic cluster, the Epic automatically discover all the links and connectivity in the fabric and discover the entire topology as a result. In this section, we will review the register device. You should see a check mark next Fabric Membership Manage VPC Peer, BGP, DNS, and NTP section. This indicates that you have completed the configuration. Click Proceed Summary. You will be taken a screen that says Epic setup is all done. Optionally, you can expand configuration summary to review the policy we just configured. Configuration summary. Fabric 2, OOB, VPC peer, BGP, NTP, DNS, proxy. Once click close the bottom right corner, click the fabric, click Fabric Membership. This is where I can review inventory after the initial configuration. Okay. Waduh. Okay. Aktif, 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 aktif. Okay, good. Port 1, lift, spine 1, spine 2. Okay, we can explore this lift 1. Uplink 12, downlink 48. We can click this one. Okay. Disable, disable, disable. Up, up, up. In the left pane, click topology. Epic. LDP Epic 2. 42. Why disable? Oh, extra packet enable. Submit. It should be green, but no changes. Not showing. Skenario kedua. Oke, cukup sampai sini aja. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.